Then get one after.
We'll make this one a what do they call it?
6'3", a pure douchebag.
I was going to call it something nice, you know, like a series or something like that.
Hard.
Or epic. That's what it is.
As good as nice gets from Deuce.
It's an epic.
It's epic.
A douchebag of epic proportions.
That's not a deuce. That's a moose.
Damn!
Yeah! 2047.
Woo! Way to go! Catch 'em.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Jake.
The end.